Like, subscribe, and get notified.
इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणजे कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी तरी स्टडी केली जाल्यार हे सगळे जे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जे येतात न्ही दे विल कोलॅप्स. कारण एक कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी कितें आसता, एक दी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो एक्झिस्टन्स आसा हे गांवांनी आनी कॅन इट अब्सॉर्ब मोर पीपल. हानी घरां सद्याक गांवांनी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ना, आमची हिंगा ना, फक्त तेम सोड आमकां मेळना हिंगा. उदक ना, रस्ते सारके ना, ग्राउंड वॉटर डिप्लेशन चालू आसा. सो हे हो म्हत्वाचो आसलो. बट दिसता की ते तयार ना करपाक, बिकॉज दे विल बी एक्सपोज्ड इन द कॉन्टेक्स्ट की एक गांवांनी कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी फक्त 100 घर आसपाक जाय. सो मोर देन 100 हाऊसेस कॅनॉट कम. सो हे सगळे मेगा प्रोजेक्ट जे येतात न्ही ते हेजेरच बंद आसा, विल स्टॉप. सो वी डू नॉट नो, बट देन आमी तयार आहात. आमी सांगले दिस इज नॉट अ T20, दिस इज अ लॉंग इनिंग्स अँड वी आर रेडी टू फाईट. आणि आम्ही वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू सरेंडर. नाव सेकंड इश्यू म्हणजे 12 तारखेर टेंटेटिव्हली फोंडे मिटींग जातली. आमची ग्रुपान तयार केली थिंगा. आनी हांगा फक्त मात हेजिटन्सी आसा एक लागून वी डू नॉट नो इफ दी इलेक्शन कमिशन विल नोटिफाय बाय इलेक्शन टू पोंडा. जर तर 12 तारखेर फोंड्या बाय इलेक्शन नोटिफाय केलें देन इट बी हेल्ड इन सम अदर प्लेस. बट 12 तारखेर मिटींग जातली. 15 तारखेर काणकोणा सर्टन आनी तेच फाटल्यान बिटवीन 6th and 13th of April आमी पेडणे, सांगे आनी दुसऱ्या गांवांनी बार्देस आमची ते लोक तयार आसले मिटींग करपाक. आमी पयलीं सद्याक आमी फोंड्या ते जाग्यार करतात. सो दॅट वील बी कवर्ड. आयडिया कितें की लोकांक अवेरनेस दिवपाक टू मेक लोक आतां जागृत जाल्यात, पण थोडे मुद्दे लोकांक अजून म्हाका दिसता स्टील नॉट व्हेरी क्लियर. आनी पॉयंट आम इनफ इज इनफाचो हे मुवमेंटाचो हो खंय वता तो. डू दे हॅव अ कंप्लिशन डेट आफ्टर थोडे हेज मुखार खंय वता तो. सो दॅट वी वॉन्ट टू क्लियर अप विथ द पीपल. हो एक. गुड इव्हनिंग तुम सगळ्यांक येवकार. आज आमची कोर कमिटीची सकाळी मीटिंग झाली आणि टू डिस्कस दी फ्युचर कोर्स ऑफ ऍक्शन. पहिलं इश्यू आमच्या मुखार येयलो की आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन कशें बांदचें. सो हे आमी थारायलां की येतले 5 दिसांक 12 तालुक्यांनी आमचे कमिटी आसतले. आनी ताका लागून आमी नॉर्थ गोवा असायन केल्यात स्वप्नेश शेल्लेकर, फ्रांसिस कुएलो, गोविंद शिरोडकर आणि देवीदास आमोणकर हे 4 मनीस नॉर्दर तालुका जे आहात न्ही ते ऑर्गनायज करतले. सावथाचे ॲडव्होकेट क्लिओफस अल्मेडा कुतिनो, एल्विस गोम्स, शराफिनो कॉस्टा अँड संदेश प्रभुदेसाई. तशेंच काणकोणा ऑलरेडी तालुक्याची कमिटी फॉर्म जाल्या, कित्याक आमची 15 तारखेर मिटींग आसतली. सो कमिटी फॉर्म जाल्या. हांव फाल्यां सकाळी मार्मोगांव वयतलो. थिंगा आमी कमिटी कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करतले, कित्याक सादारण 50 एक्टिविस्ट एकठांय आसतले फाल्यां सकाळी. सो बेसिकली हे आमचे ऑर्गनायझेशन. आनी हे ऑर्गनायझेशन आमचे तालुकाचे हेड आसात न्ही ते आमी एकल्या 12 तालुक्यांतल्यान आमच्या कोर कमिटी काडटले. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट ऑफ दी ऑर्गनायझेशन. दुसरें म्हणजे आतां आमी आज सरकारान आमचे वाचले ते प्रमाणे इन द बजेट रिलीज आमची एक मांग आसलो की रिलीज फंड्स फॉर कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडीज. हो महत्वाचो इश्यू. कारण आमच्या गांवांनी स्पेशली हेड गांवांनी आनी हांव तें उतर डेव्हलपमेंट म्हणटा तें हांव जाय करना कित्याक दिस मिसनॉमर ही फक्त बिल्डींग कन्स्ट्रक्शन हे आमच्या भुरग्यांक जॉब दिवपाक दॅट इज नॉट दॅट डेव्हलपमेंट हे फक्त कोण येतात बांदतात पयशे घेतात आनी धांवतात सो कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी बद्दल म्हाका दिसना तेमी हे बजेटान कितें फायनान्शियल अलोकेशन केलें म्हणून सो अशें दिसता की सरकाराक इच्छा ना कॅरिंग कॅपॅसिटी स्टडी करपाक मागीर आमची वेबसायट आमी विदिन नेक्स्ट 5-7 days आमची वेबसायट तयार जातली सोशल मिडिया हँडल्स आम्ही तयार केला दे विल बी ऑल्सो इन ऑपरेशन इन द नेक्स्ट 10 दिसां भितर सो इफेक्टिवली वी विल बी इन द पोजिशन टू कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ आमगे हे आहात न्ही जे लोक पणजेचे म्हापशेंचे मडगांवचे चांदोळचे मिटींग येयले न्ही ते आमचे वी हॅव प्रिपेर्ड अ ग्रुप हे तेमचे नांव आनी सो वील बी एबल टू कम्युनिकेट विथ देम आनी तशेंच आमी दुसरे जे लोक आमचे कडेन येवंक सोदतात वील बी एबल टू कॉन्टॅक्ट विथ देम दॅट इज द आयडिया ऑफ द वेबसायट आनी दुसरें म्हणजे आमी आमचे ऑफिस हे सोमना आमी आमचे ऑफिस करतले म्हजें ऑफिस आसलें वेल्लू बिल्डिंगार 4th फ्लोरार पोन्ने ऑफिस आसलें ते आतां आमी रेनोवेट केलां आनी बाय वेनसडे थर्सडे ते ऑफिस वी आर ओपनिंग द ऑफिस सो दॅट आमचे लोक जे येतात दे कॅन कम्युनिकेट ऑन दे नॉट फॉर प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स बट टू हॅव एक परमनंट एम्प्लॉय आसतलो सो दॅट कोणी येयल्यार कॉन्टेक्ट करपाक रिप्लाय करपाक सो दॅट ऑफिस वील स्टार्ट आनी बेसिकली हे आमचे थोडे आज मुद्दे आम्ही डिस्कस केले आणि तातूंत दुसरें म्हणजे आम्ही सांगलां आतां की काजिनो बद्दल पेटिशन ड्राफ्ट जाल तयार थोडे सम इश्यूज आमी लुक इनटू एंड पेटिशन आमी येते सोमनाक आमी वील फायल आतां हांव पेटिशना बद्दल उलयना कित्याक I don't want the court to feel that we are prejudging and the court pressurizing the court. So, casino बद्दल ते जो petition आसनी ते बद्दल आम्ही उलयना. But larger आनी एक issue हे जो as आम्ही ते notification check केली as करून येता between 1st April 23 and 11th January 25, there was no notification allowing gaming on the casino boards. Section 13A requires government to notify the area where gaming can go on.
Elections also, maybe in December or February. Now these are for this, whatever you all are coming out is for to safeguard. So will this also be a part of the election strategy somewhere like that or what it is?
If somebody wants to take benefit of that, it is for them to do. But all Sarkar will come another level. We will have to have some new government who is willing to do it. And the opposition parties who have supported the call, if they reiterate the support for this, naturally the people will have to decide. Some other government may come and accept this bill.
What is your say about the Miradar protest? Even IJ MLA Vijay Sandesani got the call Malalasa ki we ask justice for the movement.
No, विजय म्हाका काय मेळपा येयलो आनी आज म्हाका तेणे फोन केला की ते सांग म्हणून मिरामार इश्यू डज फॉल इन द चार्टर त्या लागून protecting environment ecology of Goa is part of our charter. But here issue बद्दल I have been as पहिले हांवें लक्ष दवरून ना. दोन गोष्टी आहात. One is people's protest and second is the legal aspect. ना लिगल एस्पेक्ट आम्ही आज आम्ही प्रभू देसाई तेच कडेन विचारले, सोपतीचे कडेन विचारले आणि एक ऑर्गनायझेशन बॉम्बे स्टॅलिन so he files petitions all over India regarding environment. So I have spoken to him also, and we are gathering material. See, normally when such a project is done, ecological impact म्हणून check करतात. Now this project may not fall in that under the Environment Act but there are other issues. For example, saline water is moving up to Savade and Sange. Now things study केला with the effect. So these are issues which will have to be studied. I will apply my mind and we'll take a call on it. But since the part of the movement is protecting ecology and environment, naturally they have called upon us. We'll see what we can do. Last notification was up to 23. 23 फाटल्यात up to 25 there was no notification. 25 11th January Quail Party त्यांनी गॅदर केला, notification of 10th January with retrospective effect. Criminal कायदा तुम्ही जाणार, if an offence is committed by this kind of notification, what an offence is not over. So Ami as somebody is going to file a case to prosecute all the directors of these companies who were carrying on giving without notification. So these are some things that we have discussed. And 17A बद्दल also week after that they petition file करते. So don't petition file करते. One is on casinos in the Mandovi and this was 17A
39.
strike 39A court of petition asa. They are with an interim order when don't repeal in the house, and second court strike down when the petition comes up. That may take some time.
17A petition on the same day Monday will file.
17A petition will be filed next week because I was considering on the casino petition, so my draft name was pushed, but I could not go through it.
Dr. you have mentioned about core committee. Core committee, what exactly?
Core committee मध्ये पहिले जे आमचे हे लोक जे आहेत नाही,
Under which banner? Enough is enough.
enough is enough.
At the end of the day,
Casino,
Yes.
not about entire Mandvi. What people are opposing.
तो आम्ही समज दिलात नाही, because we have said 6 months, but as per the notification, by March 27, they have to go into the territorial waters. So we have not asked them to close down. You shift into the territorial waters. All. Well, there's no notification. Oh, I'm saying. But government seems to be giving from 17 extension after extension.
so your demand will also be that the casino should go into the territory.
That is the first demand.
Ah.
The point for charter of demand is all casinos must go out of the Mandovi. And according to the law, they have to go into the territorial waters. Here, this is not what I am saying. This is a license which they have given to them. This is a notification. So, they म्हणतात, follow the notifications.
Thank you.
The new casino का दिखेगा और casino का दिखेगा
No, this is now specific only to the new casino.
new casino.
We do not have a specific clear-cut answer from the Chief Minister that a casino will not come. His answer is, for the present it will not come. There is no answer. And it's now okay to विचारले म्हणून all casinos आसनी, their permission was over in 23. In 23, it had to go into the territorial waters of Goa, outside the Mandovi. Here they get license also. So if that is the case, how can you bring another vessel in the Mandovi is a question.
Well, one more thing is that when you talk about villages, when you talk about water, when you talk about rural electricity carrying capacity, now the village panchayats come into the picture because they are the people, they are the committee who gives permissions, licenses. So when you talk about your committees or something, will these villages also be looked upon, the panchayats, where vast devastation, vast permissions are being given, and then they come and say what kind of permission they have, we can't do anything. Though they are the starters. Starting point is there.
See, these are larger issues. We are taking the larger issues. Larger issue other point are localized. Those are if the larger issues are solved, automatically those will be solved. Now to Mirabag, I spoke to Abhijit Sahib. According to him, when he spoke to me, their गावांचे requirement are 2 MLD of water. फक्त 1 वर्षात there was a shortage. And second thing he told me, की मांडवी pellets इतली वर्ष बंद असलो. तो त्यांनी promise केलं. And for that they have supplied 1.2 MLD of water. So again, this is what Abhijit has told me. So this is and he also told me that water supply department never asked the government to provide additional water. So I'm check that. Please see all this, but these are issues which have arisen. There was no shortage except for 1 year, and water is being supplied now to Mandovi pellets, 1.2 MLD per year. So the shortage is caused, and a Mandovi pellet can burn. It was closed down sometime I think when I was a lawyer, because the cost of the pellets was more than the production cost than in the market. So what has happened now, I do not know.
So one more thing, you have mentioned about casino.
शिंगो फुलोंगराया पावरे हरी शेबईचं बावलं पावलदारी फुलताश तण तण तणायचा माथ्यावर शिकण्याचं भार वाढला काजींच्या चौरार कोगुळ गायता ओसय ओसय तुका पैता घुमटाच्या चावीतर हातात होता नशे खोलयता घुमटाची धाम भले 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 भले
गोयचे वारे गोयची झाडा पेडा आणि दर्याची ल्हारा गायतात ओसय ओसय ढोलतात एकाच ढोलाच्या तालार घुमचे कटर घुम गोंय सज्ज जाला गोंयकार फेटे मारून तयार जाल्यात गोंयचो शिगमो फुलोवपाक डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ ट्युरिझम गोंय सरकार घडोवन हाडटा शिगमोत्सव 2026 5 मार्च ते 18 मार्च मजगती गोंयच्या वेगवेगळ्या शारांनी हो उत्सव जातलो चलात तर एकठांय येवन गोंयच्या सांस्कृतिक गिरेस्तकायेचो आनंद घेवया मनोवया शिगमोत्सव 2026.